Okay, so I'm hoping that by now most of you must have got your first COVID-19 vaccine, and a lot of you might have actually got both your doses. But we can only look back and recall the days when the vaccination process had started and it was very difficult to get a slot. Now things are relatively easier. In fact, now you can also book a COVID-19 vaccine slot on WhatsApp. Yes, within few seconds you can book a COVID-19 vaccine slot on WhatsApp. And how does that happen? Well, I will try and explain you in this video. Will take you through all the steps, so do watch it till the very end. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. So the government had introduced a WhatsApp chatbot last year which gave you all the information related to COVID-19, and it had further extended features to this chatbot. Earlier you could download your vaccination certificate using this chatbot, and now you can also book a COVID-19 vaccine slot using this very chatbot on WhatsApp. For that, what you need to do though is you need to save this number. I will put this number somewhere on the screen so you can save this number on your smartphone. Keep it simple. I have saved it with the name of COVID chatbot, and you need to go to your WhatsApp. After saving this number, open your chat menu, search for this number, open the chat window, and in the chat window you need to type book slot. Book slot is the text that you need to type, and you need to send it on the same chat window. Within few seconds you will get a message saying that an OTP has been sent to your number, and as soon as you receive that OTP, you have a window of 3 minutes, so there is absolutely no need to hurry. As soon as you receive this OTP, put that OTP in the same chat window and reply to the message. And once you send this OTP, your number will be verified in the next few seconds, and you will receive a long message listing down all the beneficiaries that have been linked on your account. That is, if apart from you there is someone else who used your number to take their COVID-19 vaccine, in case they have already taken the first dose, all those people's names will be listed down in an order, in a numerical order. So what you need to do is, for whoever you want to book a slot for, you need to type the number next to their name. For example, in my case I only have one person, so I'm going to type 1 and I can reply it on the chat window. Now as soon as you reply to this message, you will be asked to choose between two options. The first one would be to search by pin code, and the second one would be to show member list. Now I have chosen search by pin code. So what it does basically is that it allows you to select a COVID-19 vaccination center using the pin code, and once you do that, you will also be asked to choose between the free vaccine, paid vaccine, or if you want to choose any of these. If you're comfortable with either, you can go with the third option, which is any. Now I've chosen the free vaccine. So what happens next is that you will be asked to put a 6-digit pin code. So in whatever area you live or wherever you want to take this vaccine, you need to put the pin code of that area and reply again. As soon as you do, you will be given a list of COVID-19 vaccination center in that area that are offering that particular vaccine which you want to take. Also, it will factor in if that center has free vaccines or not, or it is giving paid vaccines. In either case, you will get a list of centers from where you can easily book your COVID-19 vaccination slot. So this was a very simple process which now you can use to book a COVID-19 vaccination slot using WhatsApp. In case you have already taken your vaccine and you want to download your COVID-19 vaccination certificate, then also you can do it using the same chatbot. All you need to do is send a message saying download certificate. We have done a separate video on this, by the way, and you can watch it on India Today Tech YouTube channel and help understand this process better. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, you know what to do. Please subscribe to India Today Tech. Also tap on the bell icon so that whenever we upload these useful videos, you don't miss out on them. Thank you.